Hey y'all, today we're going to be making bacon and eggs for breakfast in our Ninja Foodi. All while having a whole lot of fun.
Bacon rain, bacon rain. Hey y'all, welcome back to our camper kitchen. My name is Mikey from recipes.crock.com, and today we're going to do another Foodie Friday, a real simple way to make a one-pot breakfast. And we're going to make bacon and eggs. Now I know we've done at least 2 shows just on how to cook bacon, either in an air fryer or in the Foodie's air crisper. We had a dude comment on our previous bacon episode from our Ninja Foodi, and he said he took it a step further. He took it a step further, and his name is Dennis. And Dennis said that he not only cooks his bacon in the air crisper, but he puts eggs underneath in the pot and then cooks it all together. And I thought, ooh, I bet that would be good, because when you cook the bacon's going to render down, and it's going to cause what we call around here bacon rain. Now you might be thinking of a popular Prince song with that, but this is even better than Purple Rain. This is bacon rain. And so all that fat's going to render down, and it's actually going to help to cook the eggs on top and give it some good flavor. So we're going to try that today. We're going to make bacon and eggs right here in our air crisper in our Ninja. And all I want to do to start out is I'm going to take 6 eggs. That's going to be 2 apiece. 2 for me, 2 for Miss Ad, 2 for Cris, and put them in the bottom of the pot in my Ninja. Do you hear that magical sound? That's actually Chris's phone going off, but every time I hear it I think some magic's happening, and magic's about to happen here in the Foodie. So I'm going to take my 6 eggs and drop them down in here. Now I don't have my overhead camera going, and that's mainly because I don't want you to see the disaster that happened whenever I used metal beaters in a Foodie. Don't do that, okay? Just hear me. In my experienced clumsiness, do not use metal in the Ninja Foodi. That ceramic will scratch, and once you start it, it won't stop. And evidently others might be having problems with that, because Ninja is selling out of just their inserts really quickly. So I think others are learning like we have. I really wish they made a stainless insert like the Instant Pot does. If Ninja did that, Ninja, if you're listening, you would probably be unstoppable. So there is 5. I need 1 more to go in there. And there is 6. And actually, I'm kind of hungry this morning. I've had a little bit of coffee, but I could use me some eggs, so I'm going to make a couple more. That way, if somebody wants 3 eggs like me, we can have that. So there's 7 and 8. Not that egg. That egg got frozen. Evidently that one was really close to the top. Let's do that one right there. There's 8 eggs right there. Let me wash my hands real quick. There's my soap. Alright. So you got your eggs in the bottom of the pot. They just kind of fall to the outside edge. That's fine. I'm going to salt and pepper them. Now Dennis said that he used a little garlic salt and whatever spices he wanted to do. It's whatever you want to do to spice up. I bet some paprika would be good. Paprika, however you say it. Maybe some garlic salt. Maybe a little chopped onion. Maybe a little onion powder. Whatever you want to do. But I'm just going to do the simple salt and pepper. I'm a simple kind of man. A little pepper over the top. And now what I want to do is I'm going to take my trivet. I'm going to flip it upside down like this to where it's sitting low. That basket sits low. And I want to be real careful not to bust the yolks. That might be a little hard to do. There we go. Just like that. So now the yolks aren't busted. Trivet sits down there like that on top of them. And I'm just going to take my bacon and lay it down in a single layer on that trivet, on that basket. Trivet, I guess that's what it's called. Is that a trivet? Is that what people call it? A trivet, yes.
Or steamer.
Or a steamer basket. It's the little metal rack that comes with it. Flip it upside down so your bacon's low. It's going to cook down there along with the eggs. So there's 4 strips. I should be able to get 6 to 7 strips. And it all depends on the thickness, the width of your bacon. And this is some pretty wide bacon, so I might only be able to get about 6 strips. I don't want to double my bacon over. If it touches, it's not going to matter too much. It might stick to each other a little bit, but I don't want to layer over the top because I want the top and the bottom of this bacon to get hit by that air as much as possible. So I want to make sure there's some air that can get underneath so it'll circulate and cook those eggs as well. So I got me some space there on either side of the bacon, and that's it. Now I want to do, of course, wipe my fingers off, and I'm going to close my lid, and I'm going to set this on the air crisp feature, and I am going to go for 300, and we do 60 degrees, 360 degrees for bacon, so that's what I do with the eggs. And I'm going to do mine, we've noticed in our Ninja, goes really good in about 12 minutes. Dennis said he did his and his eggs cooked perfect at 14. I've done scrambled eggs as well, but where we're at, again, it depends on your altitude and humidity levels, and there's all kinds of science to it. But the other part of it is every cooker's going to be a little different, you know, because we're all a little special. And ours does really good at about 12 minutes. So all I'm going to do is hit it at 12 and hit start. And then when we come back, we're going to show you just how wonderful bacon rain really is. In 3, 2, 1. I had to give me some coffee while I was waiting. But now this is the moment of truth. This cooked under the air crisp for 360 degrees for about 12 minutes. I say about because Cris is using our little bitty heater in here. And when you run a little space heater and the Ninja at the same time in an RV, well, fuses blow. So, about 12 minutes. But this is what oh, that bacon is perfect. Now I'm going to cheat. I know I'm not supposed to be using my camera and showing you, but I got to show you this real quick. It's real pretty. Pardon any scratches you may see. But check this bacon out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that bacon. It's perfectly cooked up. And you can see that whiteness underneath. Those are your eggs. So what I want to do now is I think I grabbed 2 plates here, which is perfect. I'm going to set 1 plate out. Now this is going to be hot. I need to grab something so I don't burn my delicate fingers. And I'm going to gently take out my trivet. And not touch the metal like I just did. Don't touch the metal, especially after 12 minutes at 360 degrees. I promise you it'll be hot. I'm just going to set that bacon out there for now. And then in the bottom, I've got my cooked up eggs. So all I want to do is go in there and cut me out one. Now, if you like your eggs over easy, this isn't going to be something you want to do. Cris likes her eggs a little bit gelled, not necessarily hard, but gelled. And these are gelled in the middle. And then I'll take me a couple slices of bacon. 3 slices of bacon because I can. And I'll come see you. Hi. Mikey Goode here, a spokesperson for bacon and eggs in the morning. Look at that. Those eggs are not runny on the inside, they're just gelled. Now, like I said, Cris loves her eggs gelled in the middle, where they're not runny, but they're not hard, and these eggs are right where she likes them. So I get me an egg. You already know what bacon tastes like, right? When I sway like this, it's good, because it's like a slow dance in my mouth.
It also rocks the whole trailer.
Oh, it also, Cris is over there trying to do some work and I'm shaking the trailer, but oh, it's hard not to be shaken when you're eating eggs that taste like bacon. These are absolutely perfect. Bacon rain, y'all. I'm telling you, it's magic on top of those eggs. You're going to want to try this. Thanks for watching another Foodie Friday. If you like what you're seeing here, give us one of those down below. Also, if you've not become a member of the Crock Posse, all you got to do is click the subscribe button and you are a welcome member of the Crock Posse. Click the little bell that we call the ding-a-ling next to it and you'll get notified anytime we put up a new video. And y'all, whatever you do, laugh often.
Eat good food.
And speak life. Bacon rain, bacon rain. Oh.
You might need the bacon and eggs.
Yeah. Always helps to have your ingredients handy when you're making food. 3, 2. Hi, welcome back to another edition of Cooking Chris's Dishes with the good old boy here. Bacon rain, bacon rain. Bacon rain, bacon rain. Bacon rain, bacon rain. I only wanna cook my eggs under the bacon rain. Honey, I know you love bacon.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon